What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Matty here, as always. Of course, we are in a different environment, which is kind of a cool environment, right? You have to agree with me, right? Like, I really like to drive. I don't like to talk too much unless I have a problem or I have some idea that I need to share with you all. But this one is, if you guys remember, I made a video talking about what I do for a living. I kind of explain you guys my vision about money and budget and so on and so forth. So with that being said, after posting that video and I mentioned that I'm against car payments, I got a lot of questions saying like, how it's possible that you are against car payments? How are you gonna afford to buy a car if if you don't have enough money to do and so on and so forth? So with those comments, and actually that's the kind of voice that I hear when I read the comments. No, I'm kidding, it's not, but it's just to make fun, you know what I'm saying? I really appreciate you guys' comments on that video. That was actually pretty cool. Got a lot of feedback on it. You guys love it. But I want to explain exactly why I'm against car payments. It's not that I'm against it, like don't have one. It all depends how your lifestyle goes, right? And I'll explain more in details how that goes. How can I put that in a nice way, right? So some people, we have two scenarios, right? Some people are like, dude, I refuse to have car payments, doesn't matter what. Like, I don't want a car payment that doesn't fit my budget. I don't want one, and that's it. And other people are like, dude, if I don't have a car payment, I will never be able to afford that car that it's my dream, and so on and so forth. Where I am standing right now in life, I was on the side of, okay, if you don't have a loan or a car payment, you're not gonna be able to afford a car forever, right? That's why you see normally old guys driving nice cars. But since like 2 years ago, I started thinking about my personal life and my personal finance, right? And what I have learned so far, and I did a lot of research, I'm trying to learn it from whoever got there already, right? Oh, there's somebody behind me, okay. You can stay, bye-bye. So again, I tried to learn it for whoever got there. If you wanna hear advice from somebody, hear from somebody who got the experience to tell you something. Don't listen, for example, you're not gonna listen about money from somebody who is broke, right? Like, you're not gonna listen to somebody who doesn't own a house, how to buy a house, you know what I'm saying? So based on that, I start to learn from those people that they are wealthy. And again, here's not about money itself, like I want to be wealthy or I have a lot of money. No, I just want to be able to manage my money well. And of course, those people who they got there, they did a good job managing the money, right? And studies, they show that all millionaires, they don't buy new cars and they don't have a car payment. That's like a study. That's data. You cannot go against data, right? So if a millionaire is doing that, why and I, a broke guy, I'm gonna do different? And of course, that's what I'm trying to do. Again, I bought my truck brand new, spanking new. My truck was brand new. I regret buying that truck brand new though, but hey, it is what it is. I have a loan now, but I'm rushing to pay that off. As the same with the Corvette. The Corvette has like a minimum car payment, which I should be able to pay really soon. So again, it's not that I'm against car payments. It's because I learned it, and I already had two. My wife's car, I bought in cash, no car payment. And why no car payment though? Because first of all, if we're taking a loan to buy something, that means you cannot afford. That's for sure. You don't have the money, and you are paying interest to somebody else, which is less money in your pocket. Of those two reasons, it's enough for for you considering not having a car payment, and that's enough. But okay, let's talk about how, you know, those people, they are, you know, they are for the car payment. I understand, I completely understand if you want to have like $500, $1,000, $1,500 in car payment. That's up to you. I hope you really can afford. I hope you can get, you know, you have a nice salary, and two, you have enough money to put aside for your future, for your emergency, and still pay that much in car payments. A lot of people, they don't know how to put the money. They keep the money on the savings account, and it's just a waste of time and money. That money could be working for you. So I don't want to change the subject here, but what I mean about not having a car payment, I mean, I'm not totally against it. If you're gonna go for it, be happy, do what it makes you happy, right? But if you're working hard, if you're putting like blood, exactly like blood, your hours to get your salary and so on and so forth, I think you should consider take care of your money. Don't give your money away. And the car payments, they are basically taking money out of our pocket. I'm not even gonna talk about leases because they are the worst. They are the most expensive way to buy a car. It's a lease, right? I'm not gonna enter here on the math, on the numbers, but if you can, we can talk about it. But just think about, like, you work really hard to get your salary, your money, your cash, whatever, you know, however you get your money from your hard work, and you're gonna give away. So in other words, what in my mind is the best way to do, and that's what people, wealth people, they do, is get yourself a car that you can afford. Let's say you want a truck. I'll tell you guys another thing. I want so bad a diesel truck, right? My strategy to get this diesel truck is very simple. I'm gonna get a cheaper truck before, like that I can pay in cash. And since I don't have a car payment, I'm gonna start saving money towards this diesel truck. When I have the entire cash for this diesel truck, I'll go and buy in cash, right? So that's exactly what you should do if you want a car or a truck, or you want a Colorado, you want a brand new Colorado. I think that's what you should do, right? Take your cash, buy whatever you have in cash right now. You have $3,000, $4,000. You can buy a Colorado, the old generation, for $2,000, $3,000. It's gonna be a beat up truck. It's gonna have a lot of miles on it, but you're not gonna have a car payment. You only have to pay insurance, and then you can save money for that one. Same with a Corvette. Of course, Corvette's a little different because, I mean, you still can buy a Corvette for $4 grand, $5 grand. Just buy it, enjoy, learn about the car, learn about the process, and then start putting money on top of it to get whatever you want. And that's exactly what I'm doing regarding the truck and this car. Once I get this car paid off, I'll try to save money and put on top so I can get a 06 or even a 01. It's a really stretch to get a 01 though, because 01, the C601, it's kind of my dream car in the sense that it's affordable. You know what I'm saying? I know if I want to take a loan right now, I can get a one. You know what I'm saying? But I want to be able to buy one in cash. And the car is going up in price because it's rare. So you know how that goes. By the time I save money, probably I'll need more money to put it. So I'm gonna delay my gratification so I can afford that car in cash. Think about it. Owning a 01 paid in cash. Let's say that take me 80 years or 70 years. I still have, having a 01 sitting in my garage and not having a car payment. What a dream, right? So that's it, boys. That's what I might take away from the fact that I don't agree with car payment. I hope you guys understand. Again, if you are for car payments, I understand you. Don't get mad on me. I totally understand you. I know the feeling. I know the reason. But also, I learned, and I want to share with you a different idea of not having car payments, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. If you're here for the first time, leave your comment, give me a like. I'm trying to get 100 likes in every single of my videos, so if you please can give me a thumbs up, very helpful, and I hope to see you guys next upload. Let me know if you like this vlog style as well, though, because it's a little different. And to be honest, I don't like to talk too much, but I have a lot to share that I would love to hear you guys, right? As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.